NCERT Exemplar Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 8, Exercise 8.1, Question 13. Multiple choice question 13. If sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 0, then the value of sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta is option A 1, option B 3 by 4, option C 1 by 2, or option D 1 by 4. Let us find the answer. We are given that sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 0. We can write it as sin theta is equal to cos theta. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. That implies sin square theta plus, we can substitute sin theta in place of cos theta. Sin square theta is equal to 1. 2 times sin square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta is equal to 1 by 2. Sin theta is equal to 1 by root 2. From the given equation, we can say that sin theta is equal to cos theta is equal to 1 by root 2. Now let us find the given expression sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta, which is equal to sin theta value is 1 by root 2 whole power 4 plus cos theta value is 1 by root 2 whole power 4. That is equal to 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 2 square, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 2. From the given options, option C 1 by 4 is the right answer. Therefore, if sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 0, then the value of sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta is option C 1 by 2.